To create new behavior, you go to behaviors and click on create a behavior. This is quite similar to what we did in creating new functions. So you can name this behavior. Let me call it move towards west repeatedly. And the name of the behavior will come on this block as well. Now you have to decide and define these number of steps that you want this behavior to be performed when you attach the behavior block to a sprite. So what we want is to move the sprite towards west continuously. So I'll go to behaviors and take this block for the sprite to move towards west. Now make sure that you use this sprite block everywhere in this code. There shouldn't be any other sprite. Now this block allows you to use this behavior and attach that block to any other sprite. So any other sprite would be able to perform this behavior if you use this sprite block. And now the condition is that whenever the sprite moves towards west and goes off screen, we want it to come back to its original position and start moving towards west all over again. For that, we'll use a condition from logic and we'll take this if block. Now we have to define what this if block or the condition has to be. So we'll go to actions and we'll go to sprites and pick this block called my sprite size. Now instead of size, we'll pick X position and make sure that you use this sprite block everywhere in this code. So ensure that you replace that block. Now, whenever my sprite moves here, the X position becomes 0. And whenever it moves beyond, the X position is less than 0. So we pick this less than symbol and put matplock as 0. So when the X position becomes less than 0, what do we want to do? We have to set the X position to 400 again. So we go to actions and set. Now replace this using the sprite and set instead of size, we'll choose X position to 400. Remember, X position is 400 here and 0 here. 400 here, 0 here. So X position to 400. Now we want to set the Y position as well. So we go to actions and take the same block again. Set this sprite Y position to 200. Let's take 200 so that vertically it's in the center. So it will come somewhere here. And this is what the behavior is. Now, once you are done coding and deciding what the behavior is expected to do, you close and go to behaviors and you will find the newly created behavior block over here. Now, our earlier behavior moving west used to make the sprite move towards west, and after a while it used to go off screen. Now let's replace this behavior by the newly created behavior block and let's see what happens. Click on run and you will see the sprite keeps coming back to the original position and continues to move towards west. So this is how you can create new behavior and decide what your sprite is expected to do. Now you can replace any sprite and use this behavior. So let me take another sprite and apply this behavior to the sprite. Now let me put this here and let's run. And you will see the same behavior is applied to this new sprite.